I wanna show you guys how to create an animated scribble line effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go!
To begin, move your timeline slider to the point of impact in your video. Now select your rectangle tool and create a bunch of lines like this. Then click your selection tool and start moving them into the position that you want around the impact site. Go over to Effects and type in Circle and add it to your graphic layer. Now go over to Effect Controls and click on the circle effect. Click and drag the circle to the middle of where your impact will take place. Then go over to Effect Controls and change the blending mode under Circle to Stencil Alpha. Now let's animate it. From the start of your graphic layer, click on the stopwatch icon beside Radius. Then move ahead 10 frames on your timeline and increase the radius until all your lines become visible again. Now click on Circle, then hit Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy, and then Ctrl-V to duplicate the effect. Click on the second circle effect. Then go over and click and highlight both keyframes and drag them over so the first keyframe starts in between the two above it. Now simply go over and check off the invert circle option to finish the animation.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.